Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate financial reports with QuickBooks, complete guide step by step clearly. Open QuickBooks and log in to your account. Navigate to the Reports tab on the left sidebar. Select the type of financial report you want to automate, such as profit and loss or balance sheet. Once the report is open, customize the report settings according to your needs. Adjust the date range, accounting method, and any specific filters relevant to your business. Click on the Save Customization option located at the top of the report. In the dialog box that appears, give your report a unique name for easy identification. Now check the box that says Schedule this report. Select the frequency of the report delivery, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Choose the specific day and time you want the report to be sent. Enter the email addresses of the recipients who should receive the report. You can also add a message that will accompany the report email. Review all your settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Click Save to finalize your scheduled report automation. You'll see a confirmation message that your report is now scheduled. To view or edit your scheduled reports later, return to the Reports tab. Select Custom Reports from the drop-down menu. Find and select your automated report in the list. You can make adjustments or delete the report as needed. Congratulations, you've successfully automated your financial reports with QuickBooks. You can now focus on other important aspects of your business while your reports are sent automatically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.